Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Aiza. I'm again here with the same topic, pronoun and the types of pronoun. In the previous lesson related to pronoun, we had discussed the definition of pronoun and the examples of pronoun, types of pronoun, but in detail we'd seen only first three types of pronoun: personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns and relative pronouns. In this lesson we will discuss next five types of pronoun, that is reciprocal pronouns, indefinite pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronouns and intensive pronouns. So let's move to the reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns express a mutual relationship or action. The meaning of word mutual is very important here. The meaning of word mutual is any action that is done by both of the parties is known as mutual, right? Mutual means doing something together by both of the parties or many parties. In English, we use each other and one other for this purpose. For instance, it means for example. First of all, don't forget that what are the pronouns we use usually in English for reciprocal pronoun or as reciprocal pronoun are each other and one another. So I am going to show you an example here, and the example is Shirley and Jack look after each other. Except Shirley and Jack. To make it more easier, we can write here mom and dad. Sorry for my bad handwriting. So mom and dad look after each other. Is it true or not? I think it is true in everyone's case. And if it is not, so may Allah make it easier for everyone. So mom and dad look after each other is an example of reciprocal pronoun. Who is showing a mutual relationship in this sentence is mom and dad. So this is an example of reciprocal pronoun. I hope it is clear to all of you. The next one is indefinite pronouns. As the name suggests, indefinite pronouns are used when referring to something non-specific. Now, I am going to give you an example of a specific thing from my previous statement that I had given you, from a previous example that I had given you in reciprocal pronoun. Look, in reciprocal pronoun, we use mom and dad. It means they are specific person, right? We know this one is my mom, this one is my dad, or me and my brother. They are specific. But in indefinite pronouns, it is about referring to something non-specific. Example. Let's see the example and I hope you will get it very easily. Example is everyone or everything. Everyone means it can be everyone in your class. I don't need to name everyone in the classroom, right? Or maybe I don't have the names of everyone in the classroom if I enter in the classroom for the first time. So I will say, hello everyone. And it means I'm not talking about a specific person. It means I am talking about everyone. Whoever is sitting in the classroom, I'm talking about everyone. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Or everything. Like right now, if I am sitting in my room, I have so many things are lying here. There are so many bags, there is a bed, there are chairs. So if I want to vacate this room, I will not say pick this bag up, pick this chair up, or send this bag out, take this bag out, take this chair out, take this bed out. So I will say take everything outside of this room. Okay, or bring everything outside of this room. So everything means I'm not specifying this, this and this. I'm telling you, you will have to bring everything. I think this is more easy. Rather, we say we took name of each and everything. Like if I have 40 students in classroom, do you really think that I will take name of each and every student? I think I can't. It is very simple answer. I can't take on daily basis name of 40 students in the classroom. Right? For my convenience, I will use the word everyone. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay? It is easier for me and I think for the listener as well. Or something unknown. First one was something non-specific or something unknown. As I have given you the example of my classroom and I am telling you that I was entering in my classroom for the first time. So I think all of you, if you are in my classroom, all of you are unknown for me. Right? Because I am entering in the classroom for the first time and I don't know your names. So something unknown, I will call the same way, someone or something. Right? They can be broken down into singular, plural and singular plural pronouns. Let's see how will we do it. Singular, another, anybody, anyone, anything, each, either, everybody, neither, nobody, no one, nothing, somebody. What is the meaning of that? It will come under the head of singular. You will have to treat an other as singular. Okay? Each as a singular. Like if I say, I'm giving you an example. Each thing in my room is different. Okay? I will not say each thing in my room are different. I have to use each as singular. So I will say each thing in my room, what is perfect, right? Each thing is in my room is perfect. Wow. I'm so lucky now. The next one is plural. Plural has both, few, many, others, several. You will have to treat these one as plural. Both of them are speaking truth. Both of them are running fast. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Singular or plural. According to occasion, according to the situation, you will use as a singular or as plural. All, any, more, most, none, some or such. I hope it is clear to all of you. If you still have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely try my level best to reply you, inshallah. Let's move to the next one. The next one is interrogative pronoun. These are pronouns we use for asking question. I think this is the easiest one, right? Whenever you are going to ask a question, so you will use interrogative pronoun, such as who or what. Who are you? So who is an interrogative pronoun. What are you doing? So what is an interrogative pronoun? This one is the easiest. Who broke this lamp? So who is an interrogative and who is showing that I am asking a question, right? And what are we going to do about it? So what? In this sentence, what are we going to do about it means the lamp one. So what are we going to do about it? So what is also an interrogative here. I don't think so that I need to explain it more, but if you still need, you can ask me. The next one is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject of a sentence is also the object of the sentence. I punched myself in the face. By the way, I am not a mad girl. You must be thinking the ma'am is mad who has punched herself in the face. No, I didn't. It is just an example. Here myself is used the object of the sentence, the thing that got punched. So who got punched? My face, right? So that's why I'm using myself. And refers back to the subject I, the thing doing the punching. Other reflexive pronouns include in singular myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, plural ourselves, yourself and themselves. I hope it is clear to you. Let's move to the next one. Last one is intensive pronoun. Intensive pronouns are actually the same words as reflexive pronouns. I hope you have still in your mind what are reflexive pronouns. And if you forget, please move a little bit cursor toward the back side and see what is reflexive pronoun, but function differently. In this case, they add emphasis. What is the meaning of word emphasis? Emphasis meaning is to show the prominence about something, to show the importance of something. So the example here we have in the sentence, she mastered pronouns all by herself. In this sentence, herself is showing the importance and the prominence that that girl has mastered pronouns by herself. And I learned my lesson myself. It means I didn't take help from anybody. I learned it myself. I'm showing the importance. I'm showing you something special about me that I have learned it myself. I solved this maths question myself. Or you can say that Ali won the match himself. So himself means we are showing emphasis here that the match Ali won was just because of Ali. Okay, it means just because of him. So we will use himself for Ali as intensive pronoun and herself for a girl as intensive pronoun. I hope it is clear to you. I have explained you the types of pronoun in 2 lessons. The first three types in first lesson and the second 5 types in this lesson. I hope it is clear to all of you and that you have learned something from my lesson. I will be highly obliged if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.